The Secret Number. Easy English mystery story. Learn English through stories. What if you got a call from a secret number? What if a stranger told you only you can stop a disaster? This is The Secret Number, a simple, easy English story for teens to learn English through stories. Will Leo listen to the voice, or will he fail to stop the danger? Let's find out. Main characters. Leo, 15, smart, quiet, never causes trouble. Emma, 14, Leo's best friend, brave, caring. Arif, 15, classmate, funny, loyal. Maya, 14, curious, loves solving puzzles. Chapter 1. The First Call. Leo sat on his bed, doing homework. His phone rang. Unknown number. He almost ignored it, but answered. A deep voice said, "Listen carefully. You must stop the fire, or many people will be hurt." Leo froze. Who is this? But the line went dead. Chapter 2. The Warning. Next day, Leo told Emma. She laughed. "A prank, Leo." Leo shook his head. "He knew my name. He said, 'Stop the fire.'" Emma's smile faded. "Okay, let's be careful." Chapter 3. The Smoke. After school, Leo smelled smoke near the science lab. Inside, he saw a small flame in the trash. He grabbed the fire extinguisher and put it out. Emma ran in. "You were right!" A teacher arrived. "Good job, Leo. Who did this?" No one knew. Chapter 4. The Next Call. That night, Leo's phone buzzed again. Same number. The voice. "You did well, but it's not over. Tomorrow, stop the bus." Leo shouted, "Who are you?" The line cut. Chapter 5. The Bus. Next morning, Leo and Emma waited at the bus stop. The bus came. Leo's phone pinged. "Check the back tire." He ran to the back. He saw a glass bottle near the tire. A boy nearby held a lighter. "Hey!" Leo shouted. The boy ran. Chapter 6. Who is behind it? Arif and Maya joined them. Leo explained everything. Arif said, "So the caller is helping you?" Maya asked, "Or testing you?" Leo said, "I don't know, but I have to listen." Chapter 7. The Third Call. That night, ring, ring. The voice. "Tomorrow, the bridge. 3 p.m. Don't let the truck cross." Leo begged, "Tell me who you are." But silence. Chapter 8. The Bridge. At 3 p.m., Leo, Emma, Arif, and Maya hid near the old bridge. A big truck came. Leo saw smoke under it. Maya shouted, "It's leaking gas!" Leo ran to the driver. "Stop! Stop!" The driver braked. They called the fire department. Disaster stopped. Again. Chapter 9. The Police. Police asked, "How did you know?" Leo lied, "A friend told me." They didn't believe him. That night, Leo got a text, "Good job, next is bigger." Chapter 10. The Voice Returned. Leo answered the call. He shouted, "Who are you?" The voice. "A friend. I see what you can't. Tomorrow, the gas station." Emma grabbed the phone. "Why us?" But the line died. Chapter 11. The Gas Station. They hid across the street. A man put a strange box under a pump. Leo ran and yelled, "Stop!" The man ran away. Arif tackled him. The box was a small bomb. Police arrived and arrested the man. Chapter 12. A clue. In the man's pocket, a paper, a symbol, a black circle with 3 lines. Maya searched online. She said, "It's an old secret group. They hate the city." Emma said, "So the voice helps us stop them." Chapter 13. The Trap. The next call. Tonight, school basement. They hide something big. They told the police, but no one believed them, so they went alone. Chapter 14. The Basement. In the dark basement, they found boxes. Inside, wires, barrels, timers. Leo whispered, "A bomb!" Footsteps behind them. Men in black masks surrounded them. Chapter 15. Captured. The leader said, "Smart kids, but not smart enough." They tied the friends up. Leo's phone rang. The masked man laughed. "Who keeps calling you?" Leo stayed silent. Chapter 16. The voice revealed. Suddenly, a door slammed open. Police rushed in. The leader was arrested. Leo's phone rang. The voice, "Good job, Leo. I sent the police this time." Leo asked, "Who are you?" The voice, "A friend. And now it's your turn to live free." Click. Aftermath, Chapter 17. Police praised Leo and his friends. The news called them heroes. Emma smiled. "You saved us." Leo said, "No, we did." Maya added, "And the voice." Arif laughed. "The secret number. Who was it really?" Ending. What did they learn? The secret number teaches us. One brave person can stop a disaster. True friends trust you, even when no one else does. Stay curious, ask questions, protect each other. Sometimes help comes in secret ways. Thank you for reading The Secret Number. Use this story to practice easy English, learn new words, and remember, stay brave, stay smart, and always stand up for what is right.